Need to quickly access the Calculator app on your Windows PC. Windows offers several easy ways to open Calculator, whether you prefer using the Start menu, search, run, keyboard shortcuts, or even the command prompt. In this guide, I'll show you how to open Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start button and scroll through the list of installed apps until you find Calculator. Click it to launch the application. Another quick method is using Windows Search. Press the Windows key, type Calculator, then select the app from the search results. This is one of the fastest ways to open it. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Calc and press Enter. Windows will immediately launch the Calculator app. If you use Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell, simply type Calc and press Enter. This works the same way and opens Calculator instantly. If you use Calculator regularly, click the app and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. This makes it much easier to open with a single click whenever you need it. Once Calculator opens, you're ready to perform basic calculations, scientific equations, unit conversions, date calculations, and much more. You can also resize the window or switch between different calculator modes from the navigation menu. And that's how to open Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you use the Start menu, search, run, command prompt, or a pinned shortcut, Windows gives you several fast ways to access the Calculator app whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.